How to archive chats on Instagram. Everyone, this is Sabdina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your Instagram. After that, go to the messages. Then select the message. Tap on their profile. Tap on options. You will see restrict and block over here. But if you want to archive this whole chat, simply tap and hold the message or the chat. Then tap and hold the chat and then tap and move to general. So this will move this chat from primary section to general. This is one way of archiving your chats on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.